So hi friends, in the last four videos we have already discussed the second chapter of economics class 10, that is your sectors of Indian economy. So in this video we are going to discuss the main points, what main points you should remember. So first point, there are three sectors of Indian economy. They are primary, secondary and tertiary. These three sectors are highly interdependent. GDP or gross domestic products is calculated by taking the final value of all goods and services produced in a country within a particular period. Initially, primary sector was more important. Gradually, a shift has been taken place from primary to secondary and to secondary to tertiary. Tertiary sector is becoming more important day by day. In Indian economy, tertiary sector has more percentage of GDP, but more people are working in agricultural sector. In agricultural sector, disguised unemployment can be seen. In order to avoid such problems, people should get other alternatives to work. More employment should be created through various measures. MGNREGA came in the year 2005. Workers in the organized sector are more secure than workers of unorganized sector. The workers of unorganized sector should be protected. All essential services cannot be provided by private sector. If they are providing also, then the poor will face problem to avail these services. So important services should be provided by government sector. Thank you all. If you like, please subscribe this channel.